Here is a quick tip on picking up stitches if you've had to take them off your needle. So use a needle. Sometimes people like to use a needle that's one size smaller or a couple of sizes smaller really, but you can use the regular needle that you've been working with. The tip is to put your needle in and twist it as you go through the stitches. And it's kind of like boring a hole through the stitches like that. And it goes in quite easily usually. So the idea is that it's easy to get them in. I tell the students I'm like a paramedic. I'm just picking things up so it doesn't get worse. And it will help you if you remember this twisting tip. If you need to take your stitches out, if you did something wrong, just slide them out, because it's pretty easy just to slide your needle back in again, in through the tunnel, like twisting and turning through the tunnel like that. So enjoy undoing and picking up your stitches if you need to.